Are you tired of spending hours perfecting your PowerPoint presentations? What if I told you there are AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you in minutes? In today's video, we'll be diving into 5 game-changing AI tools that will not only make your presentation stand out, but save you tons of time. Let's jump in and transform your presentation with AI magic. So the first on the list is Gamma AI. Gamma AI is used to create PowerPoint presentation. All you just need to do is to head over to Gamma AI and sign up for free. You have the ability to, let's just continue with Google. Click on continue with Google. So just select the best that describe you. So once you sign up, it will take you to a page like this where you can now give the AI a prompt. So on giving the AI a prompt, you can come here to this middle one. Now, one of the things I love is that you can also copy and paste a note and give it, or you can generate, or you can export from a URL file. So just click on generate a presentation. You can, from a website, you can also generate a website. So we are going sticking with generation, and just click on this. Then you have to tell it what you want. So just like ChatGPT, you know how to use ChatGPT. So just tell it that, okay, so I said world population and climate change. Just click on this outline. Now once you click on outline, it will give you an outline and things like that, up to 8 slides. If you want to use more of the slide, you want to add more slide, you can update to the pro version. Then you can also, the amount, how you want it to be, the settings. If you want it to be detailed, you can just click on detail. Now you can also say from which source do you want. Do you want it to be from a web source, the image source, or you want it to be generated by AI? Then you can also choose the style you want. You can describe the color you want, and also you can also choose the AI model you want to use to generate that. Then you click on continue. These are the preview. You can select your color. Let's say you want this color. You see, I hope you understand, right? You can pick a color you want from this preview side. Then you click at the top here, generate. So once you select the color you want, you click on generate. Wow, this is the AI performing the magic, and also the AI will be giving us images in terms with it, aligning with the whole thing. So it will give you with the whole detail that you can just go on and on and on, talking to your people, presenting your slide without you stressing yourself. The AI will give you the whole slide, and once it is done with the whole each slide, at the top here you see a place where you see present. Once you click on it, it will take you to the full screen where you can now present the whole slide. So this is the first on the list, and you can use this to make your presentation anytime, anywhere, in your office, or you're about to go for a meeting without stressing yourself. You don't have to think much. You just have to tell it your topic, and the AI will give you the whole image, the whole write-up, the whole text you need for the presentation. I hope this you find this helpful, right? Click on the subscribe button and also share with your friends. So let's just check it out here before we go to the next AI. So this is it. So you can just roll over. So this next on the list is beautiful AI. So what you just need to do is to go to your PowerPoint presentation slide. So once you open your PowerPoint presentation slide like this, click on add in, then you search for beautiful AI here. So once you search for beautiful AI, then you just have to sign up with your Google account. So once you sign up with your Google account, you open it. This how it is. So what you just need to do. So what let me just open a blank document. So you just click on this beautiful AI. So click here. So once you click there, it will come up with this where you can now choose the theme you want to use for your PowerPoint presentation. So let's say you like this classic or minimal or any of them, just choose, then click on create slide. So once you click on create slide, you can now select what you want to be in the slide. Maybe you want it, or you can also generate with AI if you are using the Pro version. So once you click on that, you can click on get started, then you select and pay for that. But if you don't want to do that, you can also come here to template and select a template you want to use for your theme. So let's just go with that. You can select what you want to be in the slide. Is it a heading you want? You can select the way you want the heading to be from here. So you can just pick, and once you pick, you can also ask to suggest for you a template. So you can add what you want to add, then click on save. You can also select image. So you see, once you do that, the AI will, once you give it what you want, the AI will generate for you a slide like this. You see, you can also edit the slide, and this is created by beautiful AI. And you can also choose from gallery or library, get some images and add from the beautiful AI. So all this will just create for you a slide and give you all you need to know. So you can see what you want to do. So you can just use all this feature. So the next on the list is known as Chat GPT AI. So what you also need to do once you are inside your PowerPoint like this, so what you just need to do once you are inside your PowerPoint, you just click on these add-ins, then you search for Chat GPT for PowerPoint, click on add. So you can just come here. Once you've added, just come here, close this, let's close this. Once you can add a topic, so you can put your topic you want. Okay, so you can choose the number of slides you want. So the highest is 7. Then just click on continue. Now once you click on continue, ChatGPT will create the outline for you. So once it creates the outline for you, just click on continue. It will also ask you the kind of style you want. So you can just pick, maybe you want this style. And once you do that, click on continue at the bottom. Now it will generate the content for you, and it will also generate the slide for you. So if you notice, this is it. It's generating the content for us with the images. So all this, and it is done. So once it is done, you just have to come to the top here and click on present, and you can see the way it's looking. So this is the way it's looking. So all these are generated for us by ChatGPT. So that's the end of the slide. So the next I want to tell you about is known as slide bin, and slide bin is used to create PowerPoint presentation slide, and also you can use it for pitching. So let's say you have a website or you have a business idea and you want to go for pitching, or you want to go for a presentation either online or physically, you can use this slide bin to create effective pitching option where you can now talk to people and pitch with them from it. So let's show you how that one works too. So when you head over to slide bin, just click on sign up for free, then select your Google account. Now you can create a pitch deck where you use AI to pitch your business idea to investors, which is the first option. You can create a PowerPoint slide from a blank presentation. You can create it using a template, or you can hire their team. So let's use this apart from presenting. So let's say I have a business idea that I want to pitch. So let me just click on this create. Then I'll have to put my website URL, and it will analyze my website URL, and from there it will create a pitch for me. So I have this e-commerce website. You guys can check it out and also can order product from it. So this is the name of the website, glossify.com. So I'll click on analyze. If you are enjoying this video, you can hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And I also use the comment section to tell me which of the AI tool you are going to try at the end of this video. Also tell me which country you are tuning in from, what you've learned so far from this video. So this is the AI tool doing its work. So it has generated it for us. What you just need to do is to click on preview. So just click on full. So this is it. You can scroll, you can see this is it. So this is it, with all the pitch for you, with even a growth plan. What you just need to do is to set it to what you want and use it for your pitching. Now this will be taking us to the last tool, and the last tool we have on our list is known as bestppt.ai. It's a PowerPoint presentation where AI also generates for you everything you want. So let's check it out. When you head over to this AI, you can just sign up for free or just continue with your Google account. Then you just need to enter your prompt. So you just give it a topic which you're interested in. So this is what I asked it. I asked it how to make a WordPress website. So I just click on this place you see. And if you are trying to make a WordPress website for free using AI, you can check my video in the description below. I'll be putting a video in the description below where you can watch how to create a free website, get free hosting, SSL and everything. You can check the video up here. You'll see it on your right hand side at the top. I'll be fixing it there, or you can check the description below. So once you've given it this prompt, this is what it will give you. Then you click on select template at the right hand side there. Now it has diverse templates where you can choose from. So let's say I'm going with this one here. I'll just click on generate with this, and if you notice, the AI is generating the slide. If you look at the left hand side here, you notice it is doing it's cooking the template for us. So it is cooking everything, adding them and everything for us. So it will create for you a maximum of 10 free PowerPoint slide. But if you want to access the other ones, let's say you want to access above 10, this is this, let's say slide 11. If you notice, it is telling you to upgrade, so you have to upgrade for you to access slide 11. And let's just check out the first ones it has generated for us. Let's see whether this AI will tell us things that are related to WordPress. So once you've done this here, so you want to preview it, so on your right hand side here, you put your mouse here, you see slideshow, just put your mouse and click on it. So you want to start from beginning, you can just put your mouse there, you can scroll down to the next, like that. This is it. So it is telling us everything about WordPress, how to do the installation, the benefit, the pricing, then installing WordPress, how to install WordPress, the database you need and everything. So if you enjoyed this video so far, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends, and also comment below any place you have any question or difficulty in using any of these AI tools, and I'll be dropping a link below for all the AI tools that we use in this video. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.